morning from Blackpool. It's our last day here and we're waiting for the bus, heading out to our next destination. We're going to find out where it is when we travel along, and I'll document where we're going to be going. Hope you've enjoyed, and let's take off to the next place. So we're at Preston Lancaster train station and we just got dropped off by the bus. We're going to be waiting here for a little bit for our train to Glasgow, Scotland, and then, I just did the reveal. And then we're going to be heading off to our final destination via bus. So, giving you a quick view of Preston Lancaster Railway. We were actually here when we first got here the other day on our way to Blackpool, and just waiting comfortably for the train to come soon. It's going to be a Virgin line, another Virgin train. So here's a quick look.
For a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't wanna be.
Hey everyone, so we're back on the Virgin train. We're heading to Glasgow at this moment. We've got another hour to go on this trip. I'm just taking a stretch and walking around, and you can see the countryside flying right by me. You can see this. There you go. I think we're still in England, but maybe we're getting close to the border to Scotland. And like I said, we're heading to Glasgow next as our stop, and then we'll have another leg of our journey. So this whole travel on Virgin has been wonderful. It's been a great experience. The first class car that we've been riding in is very comfortable. You've got tables, lamps, and they serve you food with a trolley cart along the way. And the only thing that's a challenge for anybody that's going to be traveling is if you come with large suitcases, there aren't that many large spaces. So that's one thing you got to keep track of when you are traveling. But other than that, it is a great experience, and I really recommend it for anybody who's going to be wanting to see the countryside or traveling to explore beyond the cities and stuff like that. Great transportation, it's on time, you got to be quick. Once it arrives at your destination, you got to board on or hop off or whatever and get on really quick, because it will take off in a matter of minutes, so you can't dawdle. But otherwise, it's been a great experience, and I really love the Virgin experience here overall. So we'll talk more when you get to our next destination, but I just wanted to give you a glimpse of where we are, and one more look outside.
I just wanna go my own way, 'cause I am on my
to Glasgow, Scotland. Let me spin around so you can see where we are. It's hopping around here, but we're so excited that we got here. We're gonna take a bus to our final destination, and we'll check in when we get there, but I just wanted to show you the place.
I just wanna go my own way, 'cause I am on my
Alright, here we are in room 209. And as we walk in, part of the view, immediately you come to the bathroom. Everything's all modern looking, beautiful. Here's a standing shower. Look at the tile. Pretty. And then here is, the restroom area. And at first I thought these were aprons, but these are bathrobes. So here I am again. And then here we've got, I think it's a closet. And then there's some shelving here. And let's go back. We got a mini bar. And then we've got a seating area. TV. Love the mural. Lighting. How do I turn the light in here? And then here is the bed. Beautiful. Nice big mirrors. And then let's take you to the view. And we're looking right outside. Look at this beautiful architecture. Beautiful. And a little bit over there. So I'll show a little bit more, but I just want to give you a highlight of the room. And we are in the Radisson Royal Mile Hotel.